Well, good morning everybody. I guess 8 or 9 months ago we didn't expect to be back here now, didn't hope to be back here now, perhaps is more accurate, but we are. And as you can see, the front porch is very full of parcels that I'm just looking forward to opening shortly. Right through the summer you helped us greatly by providing things for the engines, to help us clean, make sure we kept ourselves safe. A little bit of a change now. We asked over the last weekend and if perhaps gardening materials and things that we're doing around the railway to make it look smart for the next year might be something you could help with. And wow, have you helped. So I'm going to get started undoing all these boxes in a moment, and then we'll see what we've got. Well, that took a little bit longer than I expected and created just a little bit of wrapping. Good news is we're going to be taking that for recycling. We do lots of recycling on the railway now, all sorts of things, cans, clearly cardboard and others. But more importantly perhaps, look what's been in all the boxes. So, starting off, we've got lots of material for painting, decorating, just generally getting the stations up smart. Probably won't start on that for a few weeks yet, but we're ready and prepared now. More likely, lots of sacks to pick up rubbish and things like that. Then the gardening tools, look at these, wonderful. Loppers, cutters, saw, blades for the strimmer, all going to be used. We've got loads of people hopefully going to come and help when it's safe to do so. So that's going to be all helpful for them. And then we're trying to do a bit more gardening on our stations this year and smarten them up. Planters, this brilliant one here as well. More wonderful large trug here for us to put everything in, and of course must have the compost to go with it. Seeds as well, thank you very much. And you might wonder what the paper and the envelopes at the end are about. We asked for some of those sort of things too, because we're just about to relaunch Bud Club and other things, get everybody interested for the new season, whenever that might start. But it's just great. Thank you everyone for being so generous. It really does make us feel good having all this come to help us. We're looking for some more volunteers for later in the year, so if you're thinking about volunteering, that's something you can do too. Just drop us a line. But most of all, it's just wonderful to have this sort of help, especially when this time of the year I guess we're all feeling just a little bit despondent, and this cheers us up a lot, so thank you. Well, I thought I'd finish talking to you. Today's vans have just been, and I've unloaded those as well. And not quite such a tidy display now, but look, more gloves, more sanitizer, more wipes, more pledge, more sealant, more black sacks. Just great. Let's hope it keeps coming. Great, thank you.